Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're watching Multimax channel and I am Ryan Ben. So I'm going to take a UI UX design course for free. So this is the episode 3, and if you haven't watched episode 1 and 2, go and watch it so that you can understand this episode very clearly. So actually guys, compared to the before episode, this episode is a major episode. It tells clearly about the color very clearly. Whether you are which department, doesn't matter. This session is really about the color, and I hope guys, you will give a clear idea from scratch about color. So without wasting the time, I will move on to the session. So guys, in this section, I will tell more topics, okay? So, but I won't take much time. Same like before episode, I'll try to finish this episode very fastly. And this episode contains more topics. So, and the topics are very important. It gives a complete idea about what is color, why we are using color, why we need color, even if you are any department, any domain. What is color? You will get a clear master idea about color. Okay. So without wasting further time, I'll move on to the session. So this topic is about color theory. Yeah. First in color session, the first topic is color theory. Yeah. Okay. Color theory and the color psychology in UI design. So this is the thing. So in this session, you will learn about primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. Yeah. So color schemas, color wheel, Tints, shades, tone, color psychology, using colors in a real UI design. These are the things you will learn. And here what is the definition within is master the science and art of color from the color wheel to real world UI decisions. Learn how color shape user behavior, build brand identity and create understanding interface. So guys, before moving on to the next slide, I will tell in this section I will be telling about major companies like Google, Microsoft, how they are making a logo, whatever process they were undergoing before taking and before creating a logo. So if you are planning to create a company, startup or anything, you want to create a logo, right? So if you want to create a logo, what are the things you need in logo? What color should be added? What color should not be added? Everything in this slide I will explain very clearly in this PPT and in this session. So guys, stay tight and watch the full video of Alex. So I will move on to the next slide. Okay, so why color matters in UI and UX? Okay, so before these things, just remember, just listen why colors are important. Okay, so colors are not just for decoration. So as it's not only for decoration, right? So you can see this image also. It's not only for decoration. It helps to understand information quickly, guys. So that's not given here. Just listen to me. It gives you understand the information very quickly here given. Focus on important actions or key actions and build trust and emotion. So that build the emotion connections with the brand. So the meaning is build the trust and emotion, improves readability. That's one of the main thing. It's not mentioned here. So improves readability, strengthen brand identity. By creating these kind of things, you can ensure and you can give a great bond with that client. You can create a new relation with the bond. I mean, you can create a new bond with the client so that your business may grow bigger and bigger. Okay, so that's the thing. And red, what does red color denote means other than urgency? Okay, so green means success and confirmation. Blue means trust and security. Okay, guys, so that's only one. So in UI design, colors influence how user feels and behaves. That's the thing. Okay, so before moving on to the next slide, I'll tell it. Alright. Okay. Yeah, this is the slide. In this slide itself, I explain. Okay, guys, listen this slide very clearly to one of the important things in this colors list. You can learn everything from this slide. Okay, so listen very, very clearly. So guys, before moving on to the session, can you tell me one thing? Have you ever opened an app and immediately closed because it looks confused? Or have you ever ordered food from an app without even thinking about how easy it was? That's not the magic. Okay, so that's UI and UX working together. Okay, today I'm going to show why some apps makes millions while others got deleted in 10 seconds. Okay, so take first you assume a water bottle. Imagine what thirsty. Why it matters? Beautiful bottle, fancy logo. No. You want to water quickly. Now compare it with the apps. The apps can be beautiful, but if user can't find what they needed, they leave. That's UX. If the bottle also looks attractive and premium, then that's UI. One line, guys, just one line. UI is how it looks. UX is how it works. Okay, just keep in mind that UI is how it looks. UX is how it works. Okay. Okay, that's the thing. And okay, I will tell another some more examples. Okay. Guys, let's take a real life scenario. Okay. So, guys, let me ask you a simple question. Are you ever entered a beautiful restaurant, but the menu was confusing and you couldn't order anything? Or have you used a simple looking app, but everything was so easy to find? Same like WhatsApp? That's where UI and UX comes in. Okay. UI means user interface. It's everything we can see, colors, buttons, images, typography, blah blah blah. That are the things I have told me. It's all one, right? UX means user interface. It's how easy or difficult the whole experience is. That also I have told it's all the one. This I was recalling. Okay, so actually episode 1 was published 5 days before, and the episode 2 has taken 1 day, I think. So it 2 days, I think. This is episode 3. So you will forget now, just I was recalling before I was moving to the important session, because this is one of the important session, the color beat. It's one of the major and important session, and it's a part of UI there. And not only in UI, whether you are a full-stack developer, or whether you are a business analyst, or whether you are a person who is interested in designing, or blah blah blah, anything, whatever you are. Color, what is color? This slide, this PPT will explain everything very clearly. Before I move on to the important session, I was just recalling everything, okay, so that you will get an idea, right, of it. Okay, think of a bike, okay, the paint, the design, and everything looks you good. How smooth it runs, how comfortable it looks, and how easy you can ride it. That's it works. A product needs both. Good look attracts users, good experience keeps users. Just understand the code, right? Good look attracts users, good experience keeps users. Another one thing, good look attracts users, good experience keeps users. Okay, so why do UX matters? Okay, so that's the thing. Imagine this situation, guys. You're in a very hungry. You are at around 11 p.m. Okay, so 11 p.m. You are very hungry, and you are not able to find anything like minutes noodles or pasta and kick from your food. So you open a food delivery app. You can't find the sweet spot. The menu takes forever to load. The check button is hidden. What will you do? Just uninstall that app, right? And use the another one. That's why UI and UX matters. Users don't care how much effort developers spend. Users only care whether they can complete their task very quickly and easily. In real scenarios also, people like the person who tells fastly the information they need, right? Real life example is, if you ask someone, how was the project? How was your project going on? Just you telling around the 90% is completed. Like that, you were telling, one person is telling, and another person was telling, like, I have completed designing, I have completed the front and back end, UI UX, and the remaining parts were around the database, database and integration, automation. Like that, you were telling means you suddenly got frustrated. That's the thing. That's the thing happening here also. Just listen, one bad experience can make a user leave forever. Just remember, okay? Okay. This is user-centered design. Okay, so on it. User-centered design. Haven't come here. Okay, that I'm outside. We can. Okay, just listen to this. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is designing for themselves, right? That's the thing, guys. That's the thing. If you go to a company for intention, they won't give the reference for projects. They will then only they will give that real tech projects, right? Why they are doing? Just come on below. Just find answers from anything and just come on below. Okay. Just tell me one thing. One of the biggest mistake beginners make is designing for themselves, right? Let's say I'm building an art shop, right? So I may think that not everything looks cool. But what if my users are more people who need larger pens and visibility? Good designers don't ask what do I add. They ask what does the user need. The user is always the hero of the stone, right? They simply helping them to reach their goal. They are working for them. They are not working fast, right? So we should keep that in mind and do it. Okay, recently, 2 weeks before this problem came in our company, so we should remember that we are working for them and they are not working for us. So in my company, I saw in Bangalore that time this problem came. So it's not about to develop it. Okay, understanding users, how to understand users. Okay, let's do a smart exercise. Imagine a college student, a businessman, and random. Okay, will all these three user app in the same day? Definitely not. A student wants speed. A businessman wants efficiency. A world model wants simplicity. That's why, before designing everything, we must understand who our users are, right? Because different users have different needs. That's exactly true. Good UA and UX. So this time only I remember. So in this company, multinational company, we were building an app. They have created and they kept the 3 modes. Okay. So one is for people around 19 to 30. I think so. 30 or 35, I think so. And another one for 45 to 60 and first one for 5 to 99. That is 18. For like that, the 3 modes they keep. So they will see the based on your you see only you can do onto that. Also, that's a learning app, I think so. So learning app, I don't know. That's a knowledgeable app. So we have mail like this with the 3 modes. That's the thing I was about to tell. Okay, good UX and bad UX. This is all first episode I told. Right, my this thing I'll give it. I already told, right? Okay. If you haven't watched one for the first episode and you can watch that I very clearly explain this. Okay, consistency. Imagine riding a bike. Whether the bike changes position every day. Scary, right? The app shows the same way. Users learn patterns. If the login button is blue on one page and green on another page, users become confused. Consistency creates trust. When everything behaves predictably, users feel comfort. That's the thing, consistency. So, feedback. What's feedback? Suppose you press a lift button. Nothing lifts up. No sound, no indication. You probably press it again, and again, and again. Apps are exactly the same. Whenever user performs an action, the system should respond. This loading indicator, success message, animation, these services, the system what they want. And if you are adding more animation, it may become something. So that also keep in mind. So you should follow simplicity. So simplicity means many beginners think adding more features makes the design better. Actually, the opposite is the true. Look at Google. One logo, one search bar, that's it. Simple designs reduce confusion. If everything is important, then nothing is important. Focus on what users need. Let's take WhatsApp. Why do billions of people use it? Not because it has most beautiful interface. Because anyone can understand everything in minutes. open app, select contact, send message, done. That's the simplicity. Okay, so UI is how a product looks. UX is how the product works and features. A beautiful design with a pure experience is a great experience with a decent design can still success. The best products compared to people don't remember every button you design. They remember whether the product made their life easy. That's the takeaways. Okay. I will move on to the session. So these are the things I have recalled from the episode 1. I don't know I have taken some running notes from there. I have talked to you, I have teach you about the things what I have learned and in such tips. So the second episode, 2 days on the album. So you can watch that, and it's a long episode. I have taken around 1 hour, I think 1 hour 4 minutes, I think. So even there, Rajbro story bro, you're taking so much lengthy videos because you took an share that on itself 14 minutes looking to me taken I have taken out one part they were not chakra this multiple things. Okay, so this section alright to finish pass. Okay, so this slide is about the color key. Yeah, it's one of the important things. Before moving on to the color key, we can move to the before session. So in this session, yeah. Okay, here, red being blue. That one I have told, right? So it's here in color, there are color key, and in the color theory, it has 3 parts of it. So the primary, secondary, tertiary, but these are the things you know. Just remember, when 2 colors join wings, what happened? That will be explained. Okay, so canonical or primary color means red, yellow, blue. With these 3 colors, we can create a unique color. Okay, so these are the primary colors. Just remember, if you just take running notes. Okay, secondary colors comes under red. Secondary color, yeah. I'll explain it later. So before that, there is a wheel, right? Anyways, of this, yeah. In this wheel, beyond this definition, I will tell around just some level period. So this wheel around the 1 blades will be present. And you take a clock that will be 12 numbers, same like here. That will be 12 blades will be present. So your primary, secondary, tertiary, that can all comes under this. So this is a color definition. Theoretical definition given by IITs. So just mark it. So guys, the notes and every details we were taking, right? We will take in 3 processes. First thing, the thing they learn in our college or from a 4 unit. If I was a UA student, right? So in this theory, I was thinking about color, right? So this color means first thing I will take a notes from what are the things I have learned in my college, school, or anything from my knowledge. What are the things I have known that I will be taken? So next is the main thing we will take from IITs. Yeah, IIT scholars. We were having around 3 to more people around from IIT. So from that professors, we will contact on the ask topic. So that's the thing. The third one is like we will search in YouTube. We will do some research, especially in this company. It's an IT company, so more PhD people are not present, by the way. We will do research. Okay, so our founder just told us how to do research. So in that day, we will do research in internet, YouTube, broadcast, some more things. We will do research and we will take purpose. So these definition don't difference. Mostly the definition we will take is from the IIT books. Okay, so the definition, if you write these things of definition, will get exactly 3 points. Okay, so try to learn these definitions very clearly. So okay, we are moving to the back of the session. The color wheel. The color wheel is a circular arrangement. Yeah, it was in a circle, right? The arrangements of colors. Yeah, it has colors. This helps a designers choose harmonious flat pulse, create visual balance and build attractive interface. So it helps designers to choose harmonious flattles. Harmonious flattles. What is the theme of harmonious flattles, guys? So guys, do you have any idea about this harmonious flattles? So it's nothing but that it was these guys are arranged, right? These colors are arranged. It's an arrangement that only with denotes in technical design world. Okay, create a visual balance. You can create a visual balance from these and build attractive interface. So from these only, UI developers, Figma developers, Tints developers, business designers who design logo, textile designers who design textiles, all these are made from this color protect. So it's a very important thing. Very clear. So yeah, and you want that types primary colors. Okay, primary color I have already told, right? Red, yellow, blue cannot be created by mixing. Okay, so sorry, cannot not can will come. Okay, so it's like the red. These from this take our three bucket, guys. Red, yellow, blue. Okay, so there red was you are trying to create another color with the help of red. Then it creates another color. So red plus yellow can create orange. Okay, that among yeah, you can take an eye color. So open it. Okay. So I am taking 3 buckets, okay. That's the bucket, second bucket, and this is the third bucket. So here I was keeping red, and what is that? Yellow. Okay. So this is this. Imagine. So these are 3 buckets. Here are red, yellow, blue. What a effect. So, what's the thing I'm trying to tell you is, if red bucket plus yellow bucket means what are the things you can create? What do you guys think? Red plus yellow. What will form? Orange will form, okay? So that's the thing. With these things only we can create another colors. That one only given. Red plus yellow, orange will give. And yellow plus blue, what's the thing form? Do you guys have any idea? Yellow plus orange. You can create green. Okay? That only. And this red plus blue, what can we create? It's a purple. Okay? So that's the thing given here. And I'll move on to the session. Can I clearly explain everything in the next upcoming slides? Okay, so secondary colors are made by mixing two primary and the tertiary 6 increment groups primary plus secondary. So this primary secondary tertiary is very important, but I haven't tell very clearly because in the next upcoming slides I will tell very clear. Okay, so I want to the next slide. So primary and secondary. Okay, so primary is nothing but with these 3 colors, you can create any color. I mean, these are red, yellow, blue. With these 3 colors, you can create any color. That's the thing. There are no words are cannot be created by mixing other colors. They are very in their colors, but come there and the no words are meant. Just listen this only. With these 3 colors, you can create only color. Okay, that's the your key point there. Okay, so in secondary colors, it's one of the important things. Clearly understand. Okay, clearly this is something only can understand very clearly. Okay, secondary color is very important. Let's just listen. It is one of the most important things in this color heading. Okay, secondary color. What is secondary color? Maybe this having an idea. Okay, are we done? Creating mixing primary colors. Okay, so from red to yellow, right? I'll stick red to yellow. Red plus yellow, orange. That one only help. So I was doing 2 buckets. That's it, matter. I was taking 2 buckets. 1 bucket, bucket. So in first bucket, I was keeping a red. In first bucket, I was using a red. And the second bucket, I was taking yellow, right? So this is a yellow. And the main thing I was trying to tell is these two buckets. I was taking right. Okay, this is the red. In this red, I was taking 50. Half. Another half, I'll take this silver. Then I'll have another bucket refrigerated. So in that bucket, what is the thing I'll put? That's exactly orange. Orange is the thing we will get in this bucket. Okay? So just listen to me. Yes, buckets, and I was pouring red. And in another bucket, I was pouring yellow in same quantity. That's 50-50. I was pouring one half red and another half yellow in same quantity. Okay, so the output is orange. That's the thing I was trying to put. Okay, so that's it. No orange. Same like you plus look because the not right there. Moving so Tertiary, yeah, it's one of the more primaries that doing this studies and very, very just keep your eyes, eyes, let's say, or use more parentheses of it. Created by using primary color with a near secondary color that is smooth and originals and flexible to any designs. Right? So for red orange, right? I can never really get what the idea is. Okay, I enjoy it does orange used to be better. Blue first. I was like, you are taking red and orange, then blue and green. Okay, other one time is that this thought, first I don't want to yellow and orange, then I don't want to red. So, yellow and orange I was take. Just in secondary what I told, yellow 50, orange 50, like that I told. But here, yellow 75, orange 25, or orange 75, yellow 25, like that we have to take. Then, we will get what? Red thing, this by that. We will get. That's the thing. Clearly understand. Secondary, we will do 50-50. But here, 75 by 25. That's the thing we will do. That 50-50 is 75 by 25. That's the thing. Okay? That's the thing. Given here are more than just listen to me. Don't look at the slide. Just listen to me. From primary, 3 colors. Secondary, 3 colors. We got from that, right? Some primary, we got 3 colors, right? What are the colors? Any idea? What are these colors? 1 minute, 1 minute, just wait. What are the 3 colors we got, right? Yellow, blue, red. 3 colors. And here, we got orange, green, purple. Just imagine by that. Okay. So purple we are not taking orange, green, purple. So here 3, here 3. Totally 6 dots we got, right? So we got 6 colors. From that 6 colors, we are going to create another 6 colors. So here 6 colors were present. From these 6 colors, we are going to create another 6 colors. Okay, that's the thing. So red, orange, right? Red, orange, 1. We actually got, this is the name and specific names for them. So I can tell very clearly, 75. So orange was, red was taken 75 and orange was taken 25. Or red was taken 25 and orange was taken 75. Like that. Any one color we have to take dominant. I mean, in one color we have to take more and another color populous. So red, banana, our bucket was there. And here also 1 bucket, a red 3 spoon, orange 1 spoon, then a red is 75, orange is 25, okay? So we will get a red orange. That's the thing. Okay, it's nothing very simple. Just if you understand one example, you can write another all these. Okay. So that's the thing we are doing it. First example I have told this yellow orange also enter. So yellow orange represent yellow is 75 and orange is 25. Or yellow is 25, orange is 75. Any one color we have to take dominant. That means any one color we have to take more. Create two buckets. And in red we were creating two balloon, 3 spoon. And orange we are creating 1 spoon. Means we will get a red orange. We will get orange. We will get yellow orange, right? So first example I have told, we will get yellow orange, right? So that's the thing. Actually, I will advise reading limit when this is very important slide that on there. I was telling repeatedly because so that you can understand it, so that you can hear very clearly. Because I have experience of 3 years, I was told, right? So I have taken as many treasures. I don't know, guys, why they are choosing you as design course means who is the inventor? Is the matter I don't know. I feel like when they are there intervening, who's the mentor for this one? Why he doesn't tell about this color session? It's nothing different. Why he doesn't know about this? Like that I choose many types. So with that, like you don't want to feel like things. Okay. So again, some more reasoning. Tertiary colors provide more variety, better branding, flexibility, and same way as especially useful for creating unique brand brackets. You can understand very clearly things, so it's depending on local English terms, so that you can very actually balance a line, then mistake and have found that too, so studying local English. Okay, color lighting provides more variety. Tertiary colors provides more variety. So compared to the primary and secondary, we got around the 16 funny, I think so. And we got the colors 12 to the sound. But secondary we got the 3, tertiary the primary got 3, but in tertiary got 6 to go. That's the thing. We got more variety. So we can do better branding. Rich UA is the things. So with this, because of this, we can create unique brand patterns, right? That's the thing, yeah. And let's just slowly do is tints, shades, and tones, yeah. Actually, this comes under color schema, yeah. Color schema, there are more topics discussing it, but I don't made only some points only. So this is the color scheme. Okay. First I will explain this slide and move on to the next website of So I think there is okay. Color schema in red design. So first is before going to use how to pick the just a minute guys. Source of the colors, choose the color to be used to create a style by using color view. So from that color view I have told you will see bright color view. This is the color view, don't? On this one you have to choose one theme for your app. So if you are choosing green like WhatsApp means you have to continue green plus black or green plus white. So dark and white is something, right? So it's a theme. I was for your phone, black or white. That's your theme for your phone. But I was telling, if you are going to create an app, you have to choose the theme, right? If you are choosing green means your app black plus white or green plus white or green plus black. That one only should be followed. So color view, all colors vary in the B format, right? Black and white are universal colors, so it's not present, that's the thing. cauliflower the colors were present seem like black. Okay. What is monochromatic colors? Same colors from different light shade to dark shade. Same color on this. So if I was choosing blue, just imagine blue. I can use blue in when I was choosing blue theme for my hat. I can use blue, light blue, green blue, light blue, dark blue, yellow or in blue. But I can't choose another color. That's the thing. That's all. That are monochromatic. We can actually when you come to companies, they will tell you like you are you will tell, bro, this is a monochromatic app like that, a monochromatic theme app like that. You told this one can't understand. So in that app, they were using black or white. That's a universal. You can use that. If you are stating blue means you will taking light blue, dark blue, take that more blue he will do, but he will do only blue. That's all monochromatic. Okay, different names and shades of a simple color. That on the way at clear definition. So example, light blue to dark blue. Advantages clean. Advantages clean, minimal, proportional. So that's the monochromatic. And I don't think two states clear in both English and dark English. We can tell choose one color from the light to dark color. If I choose green means from the light green to dark green. If I used means then it's monochromatic. That's the thing. Okay, so analogous. So it's an opposite of this. Here you can see many colors. Alright. So you can use minimum 2 color, maximum 5 color. So this is how taken means you can leave this definition. Okay. So also you can leave afterwards you can see this. This listen to me. Okay, so this is the color beam, right? So the definition for analogous color is, so the requirement for analogous color is you can use minimum 2 color to maximum 5 color. So I can take this 2 color or this 2 color or this 4 to 5 colors. This much I can take. In color wheel, near to near colors. But the main thing is we can take near to near color. This like I can take. Oh, wait, I will then. So I can take 3, 4, 5. So actually around I can take 2 colors or 3 colors, 2 colors, 3 colors or 4 colors or 5 colors. Up to 2 to 5 colors I can take. But if I take this violet, if I take this violet, means this violet and orange, right? Red, this violet and red were present here. This 2 I take means I can't take this green. Opposite I can take near. If I take means bulky, near to near I have to take. I can take one from one person from America, one person from Australia, like that I can take. If I'm going to select means I have to take one in near to near. If I'm going to take things in America means I have to take near to America or countries only. Not by that like and bulky, you can't do. That's the thing in here. So companies, which are the companies used these Subway. In a Subway company, it uses yellow and green. So wait 1 minute, I'll do all these things. So where is that yellow? Here you can see green is yellow, right? Near to near, right? That's the thing you will hear. McDonald's, orange, red. Can you see orange and red here? These companies use near to near colors. That's it. They having take violet and blue. Then this colors. Like that they having to take. That's the thing I was trying to tell. Near to near colors minimum 2 to maximum 5 we can take. Okay. So these are monochromatic and analogous. That's the thing. And the tint with tones. I haven't told right. Okay. Here, tint shaded tone. Like that, 3 given, but actually 4. 4 will come. First one is hue. Hue in the tonal shade. Like that 4 will present, but we haven't mentioned hue because hue is natural, pure color. So we can tell us pure color in this technology word. So only we have in there mentioned that hue, okay? So every base color can be modified to create a full range of varieties, essential for building depth, catchy and accessible interface. So guys, you can see 3 images, right? Just leave that 3 image and listen to me. Okay, hue. I have told 4 will present now. The first one is hue. Hue is nothing but it's a pure color. If I use green means it will return you a green. But in tint, if I give blue means it will add light weight in that blue. And return. That's the thing given here. Can you see, right? So here I have given blue color. It's slightly added white and given to me. Add white to the color, light blue. Yeah, if I give blue, it will give light white to a light blue to me. That's the thing. And what's tone? You can move on to tone, then we come to shade. Tone means nothing but it's adding same like that. Instead of white color, they were adding gray color. So I was giving blue color and it was adding gray and giving muted blue. You can tell muted blue. So just listen. Light blue, muted blue. Okay? That's it. And shade. Shade is nothing but saying like instead of adding white color, we were adding black color. So blue changes to light blue. Blue changes to muted blue. Blue changes to dark blue. That's the thing. Original color is blue. Hue is minimum. Okay, hue I haven't mentioned. Hue is minimum and maximum is tint. So maximum is this shade. Shade is maximum. Minimum is hue and maximum is shade. Okay. So example company used to do are Animal Planet. Do you watch Animal Planet Global? If you haven't watched the one, watch light green to dark green it uses. Okay. So PayPal. I use PayPal. It's one of the most important thing many IT companies are using. Even this multi-max company also using the PayPal because there were actually more clients from international clients on the everything. And they will send the money, they will send the amount, so they will use for that they will use PayPal instead of GPay form pay. They will have used PayPal because PayPal is one of the common thing they use. Same like we are using GPay, so it's famous. I was not doing promotion for PayPal, so I didn't want to learn this. Still, it's very good. So this one we already watched. This advanced color schemes of it. Okay, another thing more sense and move asking. Already we cannot take a look at. Okay. Complementary colors. Complementary is nothing but 2 colors which are opposite to each other. Right? Oh, very good. So just listen, 2 colors which are opposite to each other, right? So I will want to that slide is done very clearly understand. Yeah. So this part I was taking this violet color I was taking means and a violet only, not red also I was taking. Violet and red I was taking 2 colors. Wow, which is the opposite of this? This green, right? Green plus yellow, light pink plus that is the complementary colors. Inner clock, opposite of 12 is 6, right? And 3 is 9. Same thing is followed in this clock color wheel also, okay? So example, companies use this Shell, Mountain Duke companies use this, okay? So next is split complementary. We can move on to the definition later on. We can see the practical. So here you can see means just read. Okay. So maximum 2 colors I have told, right? Here. Maximum 2 colors will be used there I have told. But here maximum 3 colors will be used. So these 3 colors I am taking just to imagine. Purple, red, orange. That I was taking. Then what is the opposite of that? Wait, opposite of that color only we have to choose everything, right? But we are opposite of that 3 color I have taken green, light green, yellow. That like you have thinking back, that's the true ways. It's not a complementary, right? It's a still complementary. So it will be like this. Wait, I don't know how you erased so that I can understand. So if this 3 I have taken, I will not take that 3. I mean, I will take this one and this one. Okay? So if you I think you got understand. So guys, I understand very clearly. So these 3 things I was taking. Wait. These 3 things I was taking. What is the opposite of this one? Right? So then this one I should not take. Then remaining which one that one we have to take, that's the split complementary. Okay? So to explain very clearly, I'll in an easy way. So this one is 12. Imagine in a cloud this one is 12 and then this one is 7. Okay. And this one is 5. 7. 12. Okay, so why 7, 6? You may think like the opposite of 12 is 6, right? So you have to take 6 in thing, but that's not the real thing. 6 near opposite of that color near left and right, what are the things that amount we have to take? That's the thing. That's one split complementary, okay? So the companies use your tide, range and find company involved. That also is only for it. And next is Tetradic Triadic colors. So Triadic color is nothing but it's a triangle, perfect pair, not a triangle, perfect pair. So here, okay, sorry, I'll try and draw it here. So I was drawing on the same like that. Instead also on B and drawing. My time is very rough. Don't take it very seriously. No, this like it's like, oh, I have to join this. So it forms a triangle, right? It forms a triangle. So that's the thing. It's all Tertiary, this color means. So you can mark here. This color and this color and this color. Okay. So it forms a triangle. we can tell this forms a triangle, right? So that's finally one. For this is known as a tetradic color. If I take this red means I have to take green from here and I have to take orange from here. That's the thing, guys. That's known as a tetradic color. The companies used this on Burger King and Taco Bell. Okay, so that's right over. And you want to hear the session. Okay, so complementary. So as we can revise opposite of that. Okay, so if I choosing blue means blue opposite what color having that. If I choose 12 means or opposite of it are called 6 actually. Split complementary means if I take a green means green opposite color what having that near against the bright colors we have to take. So if I taking 12 means the opposite of 12 is 6, but we should not take 6, so we are taking 5 and 7. So tetradic, it forms a triangle like perfect triangle, then it is known as tetradic. That only given in variables, you can take a screenshot or anything or anything. So that's the definition given there. Okay, I want to next slide. So before moving on to this, I'll give a small note. In Taco Bell's logo, have you seen this? There will be a small yellow color used, more violet color used, dark blue color also used, but our eyes are visible only to that small yellow. Why have you imagined? In that image, in that Taco Bell logo, 70% was occupied by that violet. And the remaining are taken by something, are taken from the others. They are by dark blue and the 2% was only taken by yellow. But we are focusing on yellow. Why? Because yellow is an attractive color. That's the thing. Okay, so here you can see the tetradic colors and real life examples. So 2 pairs of tetradic colors are wait. This is triadic. That is tetradic. That's right. Very clearly see this is tetradic and that's triadic. Okay. So in tetradic we use 2 complementary colors for rich dynamic patterns. Best suited for dark design with multiple product states of it. So 2 complementary colors. Actually, the real definition for us very clearly is 2 pair of complementary colors. So I'll give you a small short example. You can see. Okay, it's nothing but a color wheel, right? So we were taking in this format colors. In this format, we were taking the colors. That's only given. And the companies which are used are Zomato and Google. So Zomato used some colors. Same color was used by Zomato, but not in same order. The order was changed. That's brown color example. For WhatsApp and Spotify uses green. Green means communication, growth, freshness. Actually, what the color indicates. Not I will tell you other say. Facebook and PayPal uses blue. Blue means trust, reliability, security. Zomato red. We applicate and we urgency. That only. So I'll tell you in upcoming slides about the colors psychology. Okay. So yeah, it comes to the slide. Arise. Okay, psychology. What is psychology? Color psychology in UI. So what is psychology, guys? Do you have any idea about psychology? And how many psychology students are present in this video? So just comment below. Okay, so psychology is nothing but it's a mindset. Or color mindset. What is color mindset in people's mind? That's the thing we are going to see. So first, a clear definition. Color expresses psychology, culture and much more. Colors can influence over emotions, mood and behavior. Okay? So, that's only one, yeah. Next is each color has unique culture. Later on, we have this object. Every color carries an emotion. Choose colors that matches your brand's message and user experience. So, this is one of the important things we very clearly have to understand, I think so. Firstly, choose color that matches your brand's message and user expectations. It's a very important thing for the business people. Just who are watching this video, understand that one very clearly, okay? So, okay, red, what is red? Red denotes passion, energy, power, especially location, Zomato or Google Maps location, and yellow. Yellow is nothing but it's a joy, expressing joy, happiness, attention. Yeah, it's very important in this attention. It's an attention seeker. Everyone to listen to. It's an attention seeker. Okay, next green, right? Green means growth, natural. Everyone knows, right? Green means natural, nature. So plants, it denotes that kind of things. And blue is depth, stability, trust, same for seeing or anything. Okay, orange is also attention seeker. So creativity, enthusiasm, action. So if you're going to PKG or if you I want to pick up any child from PKG or NTD, so if you notice the charts home, they will create many chart papers, many drawings in chart papers. That chart paper colors will be mostly white or orange only. Orange is for creativity. So it's children sees orange, they will create more kind of things. So even the brown sheet of the school students looks orange, right? Yeah, that's a great example. Okay, next is the violet. Violet is nothing but luxury. It's the premium feel. So there is anything color. Violet is the handbag. Okay, so it's the inscription you see same handbag. White color, black color, violet. The violet color bag will be more costly than the other. It's a premium thing. So nowadays violet color comes, but before and all violet color products are used by premium people only. Okay, so and why I haven't mentioned black and white? Because they are universal colors, as I already told. Black denotes bold power and mystery. White means pure white heart. White shirt or white shirt food means they have a kind heart like political people. Just for fun. And in the some peace things. So I have even I have watched one of them. My friends that are keeping their social media, their name, and they will keep a white heart. They imagine like King White Heart. Like that they will keep. So that means they have a white heart like that. It denotes like that they were still telling. The agents telling and the political people were very white dressed because they have a kind heart. Like that also the agents telling. Okay. And note another one important funny corner point. So just listen. Okay. Zomato uses red dot because in this it represents food color. So you see the boiled food means it will be in same color like a red dots because that means temptation. It increases our temptation. So using that colors will increase our temptation. So Ola Rapido is used for booking car by car. When we don't want to go, we will search in the app, right? So that time, if the color was yellow or Rapido color, violets, something. So all of them. Yellow means it will be attractive. And we will go on to the Ola app and book. So Rapido is a violet, I think so. It's a premium. It represents premium. So these Ola and Rapido use these colors for attention seeking and premium. So what's up? Bring balance, patience. What's happening in happy peaceful day? So that for that WhatsApp is used. Okay, so next slide is nothing. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video. So guys, in this session, if you're watching more about color, guys, I think you got a better idea about color. So guys, I hope this video gives a clear explanation about colors if you having understand. So guys, listen, this was not answered very clearly, I know best. Because for me, I have taken some more time to understand. Even I have taken 1 day to understand during my college list. So, you watch these videos and the starting so that you get a clear idea, guys. Listen, if you want to go to college or anything, or you want to learn this, buy this course from Coursera, Udemy, and purchase and buy means you'll lose some money on it. But if you watch this video, means you will get a clear explanation, because I was telling very clearly, even in Coursera, Udemy, they will tell, but you can't understand. Because they are using another technology and they were using another strategy. That was difficult to understand. They want to three times something you can understand very clearly. But in this videos, if you watch another content, you will understand very clearly, guys. That's the thing I was trying to that. And I will see you in the episode 4 of your course. Pre-course, and until then, signing off from Multimax channel by Ryan T. Thank you so much for the people who are watching, and subscribe the button and click the bell button so that you can get notification from the upcoming videos. I hope you see you. Until then, see you. Bye bye.